What is up mga Repa Pips? So I just got the car serviced today. So it's a service 3 and I just spent $206.94. So this is the receipt here. One of the expenses that you are going to incur or that you are going to get once you have a car is the car maintenance, and this is your periodic check of the car. So what I paid for actually is the 4-wheel brake service. I'm just going to read the service here, which was rendered. So it says here 4-wheel brake service. The cost is $180 or $179.95 plus tax. That is for the 4 brakes. So what they did here is they disassembled, cleaned and lubricated all components of the brake, and then they confirmed all brakes are moving freely. Then what it says here again is tech comments: completed brake service, completed by technician. And then there's another charge here which I wasn't informed, but that's okay. It's called shop charges. It's $13.33. So I guess this is the breakdown of the 4-wheel brake service. So that is 166.62 for that service, plus the 13.33, okay, 0.62. So now that is equal to $179.95. So plus taxes, that is $206.94. So right now, so with this kind of expense, you need to add this also on your car maintenance or your transportation expense or your car expenses. To be honest, since we just started this journey on managing well our finances, to be honest, I didn't include the extra charges on the car because I just accounted the monthly. So I just accounted the monthly payment of the car or the bi-weekly payment of the car. I didn't include any extra for the maintenance. So with this one, I may have to get this from the savings and I will have to replenish that. So this is a hit on the savings account, unfortunately. So my advice to you out there, is you need to add up any expense for your car for the maintenance. So maybe you'll have to add up maybe $100 a month. That's $1,200 for a year, or $1,200 for any maintenance or any emergency expenses for your car, because it's not that cheap to have a car, especially if you have a big car as well. And the only advantage with a brand new car is that you won't have to worry a lot for any maintenance or any fix, because the components of the car are still new, but then the wear and tear there after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, or it depends on the mileage or your usage of your car. Later on you'll be getting those extra expenses. So yeah, add up your expenses, add up something, maybe $100 a month. I think it's not, it won't hurt. Just put it in your savings account to a high yield interest savings account, so that at least that savings, that emergency for your car would at least earn a couple of dollars while it's in your bank. And then if by the end of the year, if there are any remaining amount or any remaining money on that one, don't spend it. Roll over it on the next year and keep it as savings, because you don't know what are the other expenses that you might get on your car. So yep, this is the update right now, what on my expense and your expense maybe soon if you are going to get a brand new car, because we purchased our car brand new. Actually, we have a Toyota RAV4 XSE hybrid, so this is just one of the expenses that you are going to get. So we are in Canada, and I don't know if how much is it in your country or in your city, but more or less I guess the costs will be similar. I'm not sure, but at least you already have an overview of or what are the periodic maintenance that you could get on a car.